Welcome to Mr. Peel, America's finest baking peels. We have here a sampling of a representation of our short handle, long handle peels. We go all the way up to a 26 by 26 plate, and we've done as large as 30 by 30 for those specialty pizzas. We also welcome any chain requests for orders of custom made or custom sized peels, and look forward to hearing from you on what we might be able to help you with in your needs. Also today I'd like to introduce to you the changes that we've made to our aluminum bladed peel, and this peel happens to be patented. It's the famous Mr. Peel aluminum bladed peel that's made here in the US. We have made changes to the fasteners. A few years ago we added a stainless steel fastener for an aircraft type style fastener. So what we did now, on the back, instead of having the button style screws that would protrude out from the blade or from the back handle here, we have now gone to a flush screw to attach the fasteners. So that makes it for a nice smooth in and out process and working of the oven. It doesn't interfere with any of the product, either if you're using the peel this way or this way. You have a smooth surface to put your screens or pans or even your raw product, or not raw product, but your cooked product on. So we're very excited about this opportunity that we've taken to do with this, and we feel comfortable that it's going to really make a very large and significant improvement. No matter how small it is, but it's significant as far as it's nice and smooth on both sides.